Hello everyone. As you can see, it is snowing today, and the snow resembles the sabudanas, also known as tapioca pearls. It is one of the favorite fasting foods. It is gluten free and has multiple health benefits. So let's make Sabudana Vada today, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it. Here are the ingredients required for that. So the main ingredient is the sabudana, or what you call as tapioca pearls. These are the bigger sized ones, and the main procedure for this is like you need to soak it for at least 10 to 12 hours to get an crispy and unsticky sabudana vada. So after 10 to 12 hours, this is how the tapioca pearls absorb the water. And if you see, they are fluffy and not sticky at all. Boiled potatoes, which I have boiled in advance a few hours ago, so they are normal temperature. And I need to just smash it. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. We need to roughly smash them and not make a paste out of it. So here are the other ingredients you needed. I have around 4 to 5 green chilies and 1 tablespoon of jeera, which I'm going to add, and then roughly ground roasted peanut. And this I had taken around a half cup of peanuts, which I'm going to add. You need to add salt to taste, and then last in goes the sabudana, which we have soaked. And we'll make like a medium sized small to medium sized vadas. We'll make them like you can see. So this is the size. So I'll roll all the vadas and then we'll start frying them. Here is our complete plate of all the rolled sabudana vadas, and we are ready for frying. I've added enough oil in a frying pan, so I'm just waiting for it to heat up. The oil should be hot enough so the sabudana vadas don't get stuck at the bottom, and then you can slowly lower once you start adding the vadas. Check if the oil is ready. So yeah, the small green I had added, like the vada green, it has risen. So yeah, I will, and so I'll start adding the vadas. Don't try and turn the vadas as soon as you add them, because it can break, or sometimes it won't be done. So if in case your like vada starts disintegrating while you're frying, you can always add some rice flour to the remaining ones and roll them again and put it. So that's a useful tip here I want to give you guys. Also make sure that let the vada fry it on one side for at least like 2 to 3 minutes, and then turn it over on the other for the other side to fry. So if you touch it too early, then it may break. changed to a beautiful golden color. Now you can see it's ready, and you can enjoy it with the chutney, and I'll show you how crispy they have turned out. You can have it as an evening snack or as a fasting food. Please let us know what you would like us to cook next, and thank you for watching the video.